Alright guys, I'm getting ready to head out to the Ijams Center, hit up those tracks at Ringneck Road one more time. I don't have that much daylight left, so I'm going to have to be quick about it, but I'm going to do that. Bo's heading off to work. No, you haven't seen it. Bo's heading off to work. I just thought I'd be back at the camera. I was facing the wall, not at all in the frame. No, you guys haven't seen Bo in a few days, so.
I haven't even seen me in a few days.
It's true. Well, you would have seen him in the past few days if you subscribed over to his channel. Saw his newest cooking video where you made, what did you make?
Sausage pinwheels.
Sausage pinwheels. They were amazing.
They were so good.
So good. I can't wait till we make them again. Well, I made it, and this place is packed. This place is packed. It's ridiculous. Hopefully not too many people are walking miles on this track. Seems like they're sticking to the main trail, so might find something. So I've been out here flipping for quite a bit, and I have not found a dang thing at all. Blowing my mind. Keep running into people on this road. I'm starting to wonder if maybe there's some people that are flipping this up before I even get to it. I don't know if you guys can see them, but it looks like I found like a baby slimy, it appears to be. Oh, and there's a spider right there. I don't think I'm, yep, that would appear to be a baby slimy. They are super cool. My camera doesn't, there we go. He is just awesome. Those specs on them are just ridiculous. Wow. Let's flip this rock. That looks like I found another one of these guys. Where's he at? Talk about the sun's just not really making the best. There he is. I think. Yeah, that's him. Cool. Alright, well. You guys can't really see because of the sun, I apologize, but he is right there, so. Pretty cool looking. I'm gonna get some pictures of this guy. Oh, there he's moving. Picture of this guy and put this log back, or rock. Dang it, Lucas, where are you when I need you? I mean, this rock is pretty big, but I feel like we could flip it. I feel like there would definitely be something under that rock. And another little slimy, looks like. Cute little guy. They're all out. They're like this size. Where are you going? Oh, he's burrowing in my sleeve. Don't work like that, buddy. Here. I'll let you. There you go. Back into your log. You guys hadn't guessed it, it's a burrowing species. Look, I found a flipping spot. I don't know if you already knew about it, but there's the tracks. And then right over here, there's that buildings. And then right over here, dude, all this stuff. All this stuff. Trying to find these slimies. That's where I'm hopefully going to find a ringneck or some sort of snake. Because finding a snake this year would just be amazing. I know it'll happen, but just really impatient. Good Lord. Look at all this. I don't know if you guys can see him, but right there is a fence lizard. I'm going to try and catch him, but I highly doubt that I'm going to be able to. He is pretty. I knew as soon as I saw this spot that there would be fence lizards out. It's too good not to have fence lizards. I'm going to try to catch this guy. Oh, there's another one. What the? Dang it. They're everywhere over here though. Alright, well there's a fence lizard. And I'm hearing them behind me too. There's two of them right here and they are massive. Oh my gosh. They're huge. Where are they at? Alright, there's this little head bobbing. See if I can. There he is. There's one right there. There's no way I'm going to be able to catch these guys. my God, there was another one. I didn't even see him. These things are insane. I didn't even see that there was another one there. That's how well these guys camouflage. And they'll hide up in these trees too. Alright, let's see if we can find some more that'll run away and piss me off. So, you guys see my hand? You see what's right there? Without this strap. Yeah, you see that? That's like a big FU. I'm shaking. I'm just really wanting. Oh, you know, bastard! There he is. He's right there. He's right there. Whatever, dude. If I can't catch you, I'm at least gonna get you on film. You are annoying. Yeah, pay attention to the camera. Maybe you won't pay attention to my hand as I... Oh, I had his tail. Don't go on the ground. I'm screwed then. Success. Finally got the little bastard. Took some ninja skills, that's for sure. This sun is just horrible for this kind of stuff. Yeah. Oh my goodness, these guys are amazing. I love them so much. I'm gonna try to... I'll set them. I'm gonna try this little trick I learned. See if it works. I'll show you guys this little trick if I can get out of the sunlight. Good lord. The sun is like horrible for... I'm gonna try this. If you guys find I've never tried this before. If you guys find a fence lizard and you put them on their stomach and you rub their belly, he's not doing it. Oh goodness. He's not doing it. But usually, come on dude, play along at least. Like, usually they will just kind of pass out, but he's not really wanting to do that. He is still really, really cool though. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get some pictures of this guy for sure. See maybe if we can find some more. There were some, you guys saw them, they were like 3 times this big. So I just took like one step over here and like 15 of these things just scattered. So, oh, there he is, going across the, see him? Going across. There you are, bud. Oh, you're a lot fatter. The color on you. Stay right there, stay right there. Stay right there. There you go. Does the camera actually focus on you? That would be nice. Camera. Actually focus on what you're supposed to. Oh, there he is. Wow, okay, still not gonna focus on him. That's cool. There he is. Wow. See how quick they are. They have these claws that just, they can climb on any kind of surface. It's absolutely insane. Oh, there he goes. See guys, this is what I love about this place. Like, we got a little spot here for people to kind of chill and hang out. Like, I parked my car right over there. And then right here is just a little, you know, spot for a rat snake or whatever. Just kind of chill and hang out. Cool off, get some shade, which I'm not seeing any. But still, can you imagine the summertime? Like, this place compared to like Kentucky. Kentucky, you park, you have to walk crazy distances kind of out into the woods, really just, well, at least where I was living. Like crazy distances out in the woods just to be able to find anything. But here, it's like literally, you park your car, people walking everywhere, and then right over there, that's right over this thing, that's where I found the fence lizards. Parking lot. Super crazy habitat. Oh my gosh. Well, I just flipped this back because it wasn't flipped back. You guys have fun with whoever the douchebags were that are over here before me, flipping stuff and not flipping it back. So, wow. See, I'm getting better with mine, guys. Ooh, sweet, another little slimy. Another little slimy. Perfect. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you go. So glad I decided to flip this. Look, we got another. It's like a southern two-line. Grab him. Yeah. Southern two-line. Nice. Very cool. Oh, I almost set him on this log, get some pictures of him, and yeah, wow. Find these guys all the time in Kentucky. You guys remember the old vlogs? Look, he's burrowing away. Oh, he's succeeding. He was. Very, very cool. He's really cold. Oh man. All right, buddy. There you go. That's pretty cool. Very cool. Love these guys. All right. Ooh, another one.
For the suit, and just the suit
Look at that guy. Got another one. I seem to love this habitat. I'm gonna get under the sunlight so I can actually try to get some good video of him. Look at him. He is just awesome. That is too cool. Way too cool. Alright, I'm gonna put him back. Wow. Two lines. Bunch of, yeah, it's a good day. I can't even think right now. What's on my mind? Hey, and pizza. And a log to flip. I swear to God, if I find something here, I'm gonna lose my mind. No. Herber's dreams. And a fork. God, you can just, like a surplus store. Hey Lucas, I found you another beetle. Alright guys, well, I think that's going to do it for today. You know, I don't want to leave still for being out here for like an hour and a half. That was a good amount of stuff that we found. So, anyway, if you guys are brand new, don't forget to subscribe. Check out one of my videos below. If you missed mine, Lucas's trip out here, check that out. And I think tomorrow, Lucas said we're going to hit up some spots where he knows there's some northern water snakes and stuff. So, there's that to look forward to. But, good day.